interior has carried over into the HD trucks. So there's, a massive infotainment displays both in front of the IP and the infotainment system. There's a lot of new technology,
including updates in the adaptive cruise control and more cameras to help with visibility. With the Court Chronicles, I'm Jeff Gilbert, CBS News.
Be a part of our network. Visit us at CBS Radio on Facebook.
I'm Gail King. The case of Adnan Syed. His story was featured in the 2014 podcast serial. Last month, he was freed by a judge after spending more than 23 years in prison for the murder of his ex-girlfriend, that's Heyman Lee. Now prosecutors have just announced they are dismissing all charges. This is such a big deal. They say newly tested evidence exonerates him. Even so, not everyone believes that he is innocent. Rika Duncan has been following this case.
Today, justice is done.
State Attorney for Baltimore City, Marilyn Mosby, apologized yesterday to both Adnan Syed and Heyman Lee as she announced her office's decision to drop all charges against Syed. He was tried as an adult at just 17 for strangling and killing his 18-year-old ex-girlfriend. But subsequent investigations cast doubts on his conviction. Last month, in a stunning reversal, prosecutors asked a judge to vacate the guilty verdict and release him from prison. They said that in 1999, there were two alternative suspects, both with histories of violence against women and one who even threatened Lee. But that information was never shared with Syed's defense team. The judge agreed and gave prosecutors 30 days to decide whether or not to retry the case. And they're now going one step further, saying that newly tested items from the crime scene exonerate Syed.
There was a DNA mixture of multiple contributors, both Miss Lee's shoes, and most compellingly, Adnan Syed.
Syed, who's now 41, has always maintained his innocence. His murder conviction first gained national attention in 2014. The podcast Serial chronicled this case and some of its irregularities, even featuring an interview with Syed from prison.
No one can ever come with any type of proof or anecdote or anything to ever say that I was ever mad at her, that I was ever angry with her, that I ever threatened her.
Meanwhile, an